Hello everybody, it's Minecraft Going to 5 here, and this is episode 6 of how to make a Minecraft mod. This one, I'm going to be showing you how to make it so when you right click a block, it will turn on, and what I mean by turn on is emit light. So you right click it to turn the lamp on, and you right click it to turn it off. So it's actually pretty easy. It uses two different blocks, so you're going to have to make two blocks. I'm going to just go ahead and just make a block and show you how to do it if you forgot or you didn't watch the first episode. Anyway, so what you want to do is just public static block, and I'm just going to call this lamp off, and then I'm going to do the same thing, public static block lamp on. Alright, also these are under here, so they're not in your pre-initialization or anything, they're just above that, so under your mod ID and stuff, where you import all your blocks. So there we go, we have these two, but now we need to register them and set the texture and stuff. So go down to your pre-initialization, and under there, just do block lamp on, or whatever you called it. Actually, I'm going to do off first. Space equals space, new block lamp off, and put just some parentheses there, and you'll get an error. Just click create new class, hover over it, and you'll get an error here. Click add constructor, and save it, and all the errors should go away there. So now we have to set the block name, so dot set block name, and we will call it block lamp off, so the same thing is over there. Also inside these parentheses we're going to set the material, so material dot, and I'm going to do what is it, redstone light. Then we're going to just set the texture name, so dot set block texture name, and I already have a texture made, so I'm going to do the mod ID colon and then what the texture name is, so it's the same as the item name, or I mean block name, so block lamp off. And then let's also set a creative tab, so dot set creative tab, and then creative tabs dot, and then I'm going to do dot tab redstone. So there you go. So now it's going to be in redstone. So now you have to do game registry dot register block. Oops, what happened? Register block, and just put in the block name, so block lamp off, and also here block lamp off, and then we gotta put dot get unlocalized name dot substring, and in there just put 5 and then put a semicolon on there, and there you go, you got your first block. So if you right click it, it's not going to do anything, so we gotta add a lamp on now, so you can just copy this and paste it and just change everything to lamp on, and then create the class. So I'm gonna just change this to lamp on, lamp on. You get the idea. So we'll keep it on redstone. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna remove the creative tab because you don't have an on and off lamp for the redstone lamp, so I'm gonna remove that. And there we go. We've got them all set. Oh yeah, this last one here, lamp on. I sure hope I was doing caps on all those. Anyway, there's an error here. Just create the class, and I don't know why there's not an error there. Oh, there's one here. Just ignore this error for now because we're just going to copy it. So we're going to do all this stuff in here and then just copy it over here and change a couple things. So in your off lamp, right under the material thing, actually not under there, sorry, below that, so when it ends here, you want to put on, put a dot, delete the dot, and then you have to find on block activated. It should be the first one there. It's pretty long, so right here, this first one where it says world and then P1, a bunch of random numbers, click that and change that to world. This is just so it's easier for you to understand. Next where it says int, just change that to par2, and then change this to par3, par4, and then right here it says entity player, just change that to player. Then just change this to par6, par7, par8, par9, and then you have to change these to what you changed up here. So the first one is world, so world, then par2, par3, par4, par5. Actually, that's not par5, sorry. It's player. And then it goes par6, 7, par8, and par9. There we go. So if you right click it still won't do anything, so we need to add some stuff. So right here it says auto generated method, just delete that, and here's where you decide for it to set the block and light up and stuff like that. So what you gotta do is you gotta type in on, or not on, sorry, you gotta type in world dot set block, and the first one you're gonna put par2, that's the X, par3, and then par4, so XYZ, and here is the block you're gonna set. So you're gonna do your the name of your mod, so your main class here, I guess. Anyway, it's tutorial mod for me. Oops, wrong one. So I'm gonna do I can't talk and type at the same times. Tutorial mod. You might be able to do your mod ID actually. So tm dot, actually no. So you have to do the name of your mod. Anyway, tutorial mod dot, and then choose the on lamp. So it should be block lamp on, and put a semicolon, and now we're going to just do world dot play sound effect, and the first one's your X, Y, and Z, so do par2, par3, and par4, and the next one is the sound, so put quotations, and I'm gonna add a click sound, which is random dot click, and this one is the how loud it's gonna be, so I'm gonna do 2.0. I think it has to be a float value, so put F after that, and then this last one is the pitch, I believe. So let's see, I'm gonna do let's see, this is off, so when you right click it, the lamp is going to turn on, so I want it to be a higher pitch, so I'm going to do 1.0 F, and there we go. Everything's working, so you can save that. If you right click it, it'll set it to this block, but it might have an error because we have an error in our main class here, so we need to fix that. So go ahead and go to lamp off, copy all that, go to lamp on and paste it, change this to lamp on, and let's see, now we want to change this, so tutorial mod dot block lamp on, just change that to off, so the other block, the off block, and where it says random dot click 2.0 F and then 1.0 F, change 1.0 to, let's see, let's do 0.5. And now when you right click, it'll set to lamp on, but the texture is going to change, and that's it. So what you want to do is you want to go up here, there. So right here where it says protected block lamp on material, just go under that and type in this dot set light level, and you can put that in, and just do 1.0 F. I think that's a pretty reasonable amount of light. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I know what we need to do. So we have an error here. Just go back to your main class. Why is this error here? Alright, hold on. I'm just going to delete this quick. And then I'm going to just click add constructor again. And now right here it says, oh, delete that too. Where it says auto generated, I'm just going to backspace that and do this dot set light level and 1.0 F. There we go. That fixed that. Let's see if, yep, alright, it fixed it in there. So now it is actually done, so I can play the game. And once this loads and I can actually move it, I'll make it full screen. There we go. Wait for the game to load, and there we go. So now if we go in the world, whoa. Alright, my game crashed. I think that just might be because I actually tested this out before the video and I deleted it to do it again to show you how to do it. And I had that block placed in that world, so maybe it crashed because of that. So let's try this again. There we go. So here we go. Your game probably won't crash, so mine, that was just a one-time thing. So we have our lamp on here, and if I right-click it, it changes to lamp off, and if I right-click it again, it changes to lamp on. You can hear it has different sounds, and it actually emits light too, so that's pretty cool. And yes, it set the creative tab. Also, one more thing I forgot to tell you is you want to go into your lang file and you want to add the name. So I forgot to put .name, but you want to add tile.blocklamp on and off. You want to do it for both. .name equals and then whatever you want, so I'm going to just do lamp off. But otherwise, it works pretty good. So that is how you make a lamp that you right click to turn on and off. You don't have to do just a light. You can do other things like, I don't know, summon an entity if you wanted, or set a bunch of blocks in the air. But that is pretty much it for this video.